Damn, this heat is bringing you down. All you need is a pomegranate mojito. How do we do that? All we take is few small wedges of lemon, some mint, save some of it for some garnish. Get the muddle on just to release the flavors out, just to get slightly more of the lemon on. Put a little bit of sugar syrup. In goes the pomegranate. The pomegranate gave its life early morning and it's nicely filtered. Fresh pomegranate juice. Perfect. Let's top this with some ice. I do not like it crushed, but if you want it crushed, you can get it crushed. And now, for the pièce de résistance, some vodka. So for the ninnies, you can go 30, but I definitely am not a ninny. So let's get a 60. Perfect. And to preserve the color, we will top it off with some soda or tonic water. Nice and slow. See that you don't disturb the colors. Ooh, look at that. Bubbling, cool refreshment. And then we just simply top it up with some more mint. That's it. Cheers.